What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a tip for you on how to get better audio recording from your microphone. So let's jump into the video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are talking about microphones and recording and how you can get better audio from your microphone. So you might notice that a lot of microphones have pop filters on them, so you don't get the popping in your recording when you say P's and B's. And I'm going to show you a little tip here on how you can prevent that from happening if you don't have a pop filter. So on this microphone, the Blue Yeti here, I don't have a pop filter, but the tip that I have is instead of speaking directly straight into the microphone, you actually want to turn the microphone to the side and speak past the microphone. So instead of speaking directly into it like this, I'm going to turn the microphone to the side like this, and I'm going to speak past the microphone. So when I say those P's and those B's, they're not going to make that pop sound as much. You might get it a little bit, but definitely not as much as if I had the microphone directly in front of my face. So let's jump to the computer, and I'm going to show you what that sounds like in a quick example here. All right, in our quick example here, we have the microphone directly in front of my face. So I'm going to say the P's and the B's and the pop, 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 pop with no pop filter on my Blue Yeti. Next, I'm going to turn the microphone. I'm now speaking past the microphone. I'm going to say the P's and the B's and the pop, 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 pop. And we're going to see if we get that same sound that we don't want from our microphone. All right, guys, so there you go. You can clearly hear the difference in the P's and the popping when I have the microphone straight on versus talking past the microphone. And you want to make sure you got some good headphones or some good speakers on your computer so you can actually hear those differences. You might not hear it if you just use your normal computer speakers. So that's the quick tip for you. Hope that helps you get some better audio in your videos. And if you're into photography, Photoshop, Lightroom, and even a little bit of video and video editing, including DaVinci Resolve, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.